Hi, I'm Janice, Barbie's real estate friend, and I want to show you the newest listing in Madison School District, 735 Pennsylvania. Let's go inside and check it out. This house is move-in ready. As soon as you come in, you're greeted with a nice living room. The walls are freshly painted, very beautiful. And across from the living room, you're in your first bedroom, nice sized bedroom. You have new windows. You have your closet. And I love the fans. What Barbie doesn't love fans? Let's go and check out the kitchen. Now, this is Barbie's dream kitchen because for this house, look at how big this kitchen is. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, but it does have an eat-in kitchen, which I absolutely love. I love cooking, and this is perfect for the person that loves to cook. Let's go in and look at the full-size bathroom and the other bedroom. Here is the full-size bathroom. You have your stackable utility. And right next to it, you have your other bedroom, nice sized bedroom, closet space, new windows, and yes, it does have a fan. And if you like entertaining right off of the kitchen, you can go out to your beautiful sized deck. I'm Janice Darmody with Emerge Real Estate. If you want to see this Barbie home or any Barbie home, call me 419-528-8190. Bye.